Hello and welcome. In this video, we will cover top C pointer basic questions that you absolutely need to know. These are the concepts that often come up in interviews and are essential for mastering C and C++ programming. For in-depth understanding and advanced topics, check out my Mastering C Pointers video series. Link is in the description below. If you are serious about learning and growing as a programmer, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive in. What is a pointer and how it is different from a normal variable? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. As you know, normal variables store data values while pointers store addresses. Let's understand with the help of an example. Let's say we have integer variable a containing value 10. How this is represented in memory? Let's assume a's address is 1000 a and value is 10. How do we declare a pointer? We declare pointer like this: int star ptr. Star is used to declare a pointer. And as pointer stores the memory address of another variable, we need to store the address of a. So how do we store? We use address operator to store the address of a. So here we have ptr, which stores the address of a, which is 1000. Let's understand with the help of this program. Here we have int a equal to 10. It's a normal variable, and int star p declares a pointer, and address of a variable is assigned to p using address operator. So pointer stores the address of a in this case. So the output of this program is value of a is 10 using this print. Address of a, which is printed by this pointer value, it is this address, and value using pointer is 10. So star p basically dereference a pointer. We use star operator to dereference a pointer to get the value which pointer p is pointing to. How do you declare and initialize pointers in C? We declare a pointer using star and initialize it using AND operator, as you have seen in earlier example. Here in this program we have int num equal to 25. It is a integer variable, and int star ptr is a pointer, and address of num is assigned to this pointer. So this is how we initialize a pointer. Here pointer ptr holds the address of num, and the value at that address is this 25, which is printed by dereferencing a pointer using star operator. Star ptr gives the value stored at that location. What is the difference between null and an uninitialized pointer? A null pointer explicitly point to nothing, that is address 0, while uninitialized pointer contain garbage value. We have to be really careful while handling pointer. Using uninitialized pointer can lead to a undefined behavior. Here in this example program, we have a int star null ptr, and it is initialized using null pointer, which means this null ptr points to nothing. And here we have int star uninit ptr, and it has not been initialized with any value. So when we run this program, the output is null pointer nil. It doesn't hold any address, and uninitialized pointer contains this garbage value. So if we say dereference this uninit pointer, then it could lead to a program crash or undefined behavior. What is the difference between null and void pointer? As we know, null pointer doesn't point to any valid memory, while a void pointer is a generic pointer type. In this program, we have a null ptr which points to null, and we have void star ptr, it's a generic pointer. How does size of operator work with pointers? Size of returns the size of pointer variable, which is typically 4 bytes or 8 bytes depending on the system architecture. And important point to note is it doesn't depend on the data type being pointed to. For example, if you have a char pointer or a int pointer or any other data type pointer, its size will be 4 or 8 bytes depending on the system architecture. So here in this program we have a integer pointer int star p and a character pointer char star q. Size of int pointer and size of char pointer is 8 bytes on my platform. Can a pointer store the address of a variable of a different data type? Yes, it can store, but typecasting is required to avoid warnings or errors. Let's understand with the help of one code. Here in this program we have int a equal to 10, and then let's declare a void pointer void star ptr. As we know, void star is a generic pointer, and let's assign address of a. Here this void star ptr is a void pointer. To print the value of a using this ptr, we need to do typecasting. How do we do that? Here, as you can see, int star, this is the typecasting. So we are basically treating this ptr as a integer pointer, and using this star we are dereferencing the pointer. So to extract the value of a, we write statement like ptr, then we need to typecast it. We need to typecast it to int star. Now this becomes a integer pointer, and to dereference this we use star operator. What is the difference between star, that is dereference, and address of operators? As you know, star is used to access the value at an address, which is called dereferencing. And operator is used to get address of a variable. So in this program, we have a integer variable x equal to 15. Then we have this int star p, it is a pointer, and the address of x is extracted using address operator. So int star p equal to address of x means we are assigning the address of variable x to p, and to print the value of x using pointer we use this star operator again. So star p will give the value 15 here, and this is called dereferencing. What happens when you increment a pointer? Incrementing a pointer move it to a next memory location based on the data type size. Let's understand with the help of this program. Here we have an integer array containing value 10, 20, 30. Let's say this array is represented memory as like this. So we have a starting address say 1000. Then this location will be 1004, assuming integer is of 4 byte size, and this location is 1008, and values are 10, 20, and 30, and this is our array. And here in star p equal to array means the base address of array is assigned to p, which is nothing but 1000 in our case. Now what will happen if we increment a pointer? Will it hold 1001 value? No, it will hold 1004 value. If we increment one more time, then it will hold 1008 value. So incrementing a pointer moves it to a next memory location based on its data type size. Here integer is of 4 bytes. Hence, if the pointer is incremented by 1, its value will be increased by 4. Here in this case, first printf will print the value 10, and after incrementing a pointer will point to a next array element, and once we print the value, it will be 20. How are pointers and arrays related? Array names act as a pointer to first element. Let's understand with the help of this program. Here we have declared one array containing 3 elements 10, 20, and 30. And this int star p is an integer pointer variable, and arr is assigned to p. Here arr acts as a base address of an array, and it points to the first element of the array. In the next video, we will learn most important questions related to pointers and arrays. Stay tuned, and if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.